Hi guys, it's your girl J-Man, JoJo, and right now we're just gonna be okay. So today is our her stepdad's and my stepdad's birthday, and we ran out and said happy birthday. And right now we're showing you our bed. So right here, I don't know if you can see, is my blanket and my pillow.
And this is my Hawkeyes one and a plain pillow.
And who cares? Her headphones,
Tools, by the way.
candles,
And
Cheez-Its, her perfume, my necklace that we got matched, lotion for slime, hair supplies
Yeah.
for both of us, and my earplugs, Xbox 360, and a pack of movies, and a chair, which is the one we just sit in for timeout because sometimes we get in trouble.
This is what it does.
Come on. We're giving you a second room tour, which is half of our room.
Yeah.
Barely any. Mostly our dad. So let's go. Right here is a pile of clothes that... Guys, I am so sorry, but that freaked me out. Right here is a pile of clothes we don't ever wear.
And that's
Right here is her JoJo bow she hates.
I love it.
No, you hate it.
Yeah.
You love your teddy bear one.
Yeah, because that.
Right here is just a basket of weird things and toys. Toys. Right here is our real dad's bed. It's so comfy. Because this is our whole room. We live in our aunt's house.
Yeah.
His lamp, his tablet, his plugins, his glasses, his paperwork. My chapstick. Dad! Come. Chargers, earplugs, glasses holder, glasses cleaner, another tablet of his, and a whole bar for his nieces, and a stuffed animal bed. Oh, he took my pillow. Jeez. And my blanket.
He took.
And my stuffed animal.
And my stuffed animal.
And her
my
blanket. And her Hello Kitty pillow. What is he doing?
Yes.
Whatever.
Don't judge me of a Hello Kitty pillow.
I love Hello Kitty, kind of.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Kind of.
You love Hello Kitty, you know it. Alright, so I'm making my bed again now. My dad did this to me. Why would he do it?
Yeah. And me.
Now I'm putting my blanket up here with this one. And booyah! Oh, yeah, my stuffy. Right there. Alright, so like and subscribe down below. And say whose part of the bed is the best. Stop. Don't do that. Don't interact with me. And say whose perfume looks the prettiest. And say who looks the prettiest. And comment down below and say if our dad's room is better or if our room is better. Bye. Like and subscribe.
Yay.